Hi, this is Mrs. Boucher, and today I'm going to show you how EdPuzzle can allow you to take a video that you've created or that you have searched for and add all sorts of formative assessments to the video. It is very intuitive and it's pretty fun. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to edpuzzle.com and you're going to sign in with your Google ID. Now, when you sign in with your Google ID, it will import all your classes from Google Classroom if you are using Google Classroom. So that's a really easy way to access your classes. So now what you're going to do is you're going to search for a video that you want to use, okay? Or you're going to upload your own video. So if you wanted to search for a video, you're going to click search. And let's say you wanted to find a video about fantasy fiction. You're going to type in fantasy fiction and you're going to click search. And you're going to get a lot of different results. So once you find the video you would like, let's say you want this one, you're going to click on it and you're either going to use it the way it is. So this teacher has 2 questions, okay? Or you're going to copy it and add your own questions. So let's say you want to take the video, you watch the video and you think it's great and you want to add your own questions to the video. You're just going to click on copy, okay? And now you have this video, okay? So now you're going to scroll up and you're going to go to my content. And you're going to see all your videos in here. So here's the video that you want to work on. So you're just going to click on this video. And now we're going to edit the video. So we're going to click on edit. Okay, so here are the questions that the other teacher had in here. And if you want to get rid of these questions, you're just going to click on the trash can right here and remove that quiz. So now, here's your timeline, and the video is 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Let's get rid of this question as well. Well, this question looks pretty good here, okay? So maybe I'm going to leave that question. Oh, here's another one. Okay, so it looks like there's a little quiz at the very end. It looks pretty good, so I'm going to leave that for now. And I'm going to go back to the beginning of my story, and I'm just going to click pause. And before the video even starts, right here, I'm going to stop it and I'm going to add a question. To do that, I'm just going to click on question right here for quizzes. And now I can add questions throughout the video. So I'm just going to start by clicking on the question mark. And I'm just going to add a question to activate their background knowledge, their prior knowledge. So I'm going to type in, what do you already know about the genre of fantasy? Okay, so this is an open-ended question. If we prefer, we can do multiple choice. And here I can add in my own comments. So I'm going to put in a comment. Okay, oops, let's go back to our question. So I'm going to add a comment right here. I'm going to write, think about our anchor chart from class. That's just a little comment to help our students. And I'm going to click save. So now we have a question. Okay, so as the video progresses,
Those are
we'll
2
ask
different
another
types or genres.
So let's
Put
say
them
right
into
here,
different fiction genres.
let's say right here, we want to add a multiple choice question. I'm going to click on the question mark again. And this time, if I want to add multiple choice, I'm going to type in my question. Okay, and we're going to have multiple choice. So let's say the first type would be historical fiction. And then let's say we want to do fantasy fiction. And we want to add one more question. Let's say we want to do folk tales. Okay, and we do not have a right or wrong answer, so we're just going to say that they're all right. Okay, then we're going to save. So now we have created a short quiz. We have our video. We have 2 questions that we created ourselves with a comment, and then we have a question that we left in from the educator that created this quiz in the first place. So now that we're done, we're going to click save. And all we have left to do is we can add, this is really neat, we can add our own audio track here, audio notes. We can trim if we only wanted a little bit of the video, if we wanted to crop out. So let's say we only needed the first 3 minutes, we can trim it. Okay, and then when we're done, we're just going to click save. And then we're going to finish our video. And we're going to do that by posting in our Google Classroom. Okay, and we don't want the students to skip any of the questions. And then we're just going to click send. And this quiz, this assessment is going to go right into our Google Classroom. So here it is, and I'm just going to click post it right into our Google Classroom. And here's my Google Classroom, and I'll be able to add any directions. I'll be able to add the title of the assignment or the due dates right here. And I don't need a due date, so I'm just going to click assign. And this is really neat. You can assign this video to just a select group of students, which is really neat. And I'm going to click assign. And I have posted to my classroom. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create a quick formative assessment using EdPuzzle.